we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws to take out. Then you want to take off the DIY box. Okay, so I took the back cover off. I mean the DIY box. I took it off, and you know, of course, I had broken that off. I think I dropped it or something. I can't remember what it was, but I had the replacement I got from AliExpress. Gosh, you can't see that part. I'll write it on the screen here. Okay, from here we're going to have to desolder that black wire and desolder the yellow wire. Pretty simple fix. And okay, here's a replacement. Can I get it in there? Here's a replacement. Alright, so it's going to go in pretty much like that. Okay, got it? We got it. Easy fix. Okay. Okay, so right here I just locked it down so I can desolder both of those wires. Alright, so let me try to see what I can do with these. See if I can desolder them. From my right into the middle, I soldered both of those up, and what I'm going to do is set this next to the wires on the transmitter. First I'm going to tin those up, and then we'll just heat them up and keep on going. Okay, here it is, guys. I got it, both of them soldered up. So far so good. Alright, try to give y'all a good shot of that. Hey, I'm an amateur at soldering, so y'all don't laugh at my soldering, but it works. So next step, we're just gonna reinstall it back into the its location, and put it all back together again. So I'll get right back with you. Okay, next step, we're gonna try to slide this. Let's see, make sure it's right. Yep, y'all to the top. We're just gonna slide this up under those wires. Oops, sorry guys. Slide this up under the wires. If I can get my hands right. Let's see. Slide that right up under there, right there. Slide up in there. You gotta kind of jiggle and wiggle and do all that good stuff to it. Do the wiggle jiggle, huh? Gosh, come on here, baby. Let me see. Let me try some tweezers or something. Where my tweezers at? Gosh, they disappeared on me. Oh, here they go. All right. Now, if I can get this to work. Let's see. Hold tight, hold tight. Okay, now. All right. This is the hardest part, I believe. Trying to do this with one hand. Maybe if I flip that switch up. Hold on. Okay, I flip that switch up and go up under. Oh, I can't keep my hands together. There we go. Put that switch up and slide that on up under those wires now. You gotta make sure you're up under the wires. Alright. Okay, gosh. I don't wanna crimp any wires while I'm trying to slide this up under there. Let's see, here we go. Come on. There we go. There we go, y'all. Y'all see that? Okay, just kind of work it through here. And I'm sorry, y'all. It's very difficult to do stuff like this. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, so I got the slide right on in there. Alright, try to focus a little bit more. Okay, we got it in there. Okay, next thing you got to do is put that cap on. And put the cap on right here. Right there on top. Right there. See, okay, I got it on right here. So next thing I'm gonna have to do is this thing right here is always in the way. It's probably a way you can take that off, but I haven't looked into that. I just left it on so I won't have any more problems. So I just screw it on here, and for the most part it looks like it's on there. And just make sure everything is lined up pretty good. And it looks pretty good. It looks pretty much like the other one. Well, if that's seated pretty good, let's look at that. Let's see. Seat. Yeah, it looks like it. Looks pretty good. Just a little off track there. Well, that one looks the same. Okay. Okay, next thing we're gonna put the back on. We're just about done. We're gonna put the back on. Nice. Okay. All right. Look at the front, see what's going on in the front. Okay, everything looks good. Just got to. Oh, by the way, I think you need to set those in there. So let me make sure those are set in there. Okay. So you don't have to set them in here. Excuse me. I think what you have to do is press down. Yeah, press down and it pops into place. Just like so. Let's see here. Trying to get my hands right again. There you go. Pops into place. And next thing we're gonna do is put our screws in and put the DIY box back on. So far, so good. All right, see that right here? Wow, I got my switch repaired. I'm getting better, y'all. That was just a back battery cover. Alright. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna screw the screws in. First of all, let's see how the switch is working. Make sure the switch is working before I put the screws in. Yep, nice click. Looking good. Okay, here we go. Alright, here's the toggle switch that I replaced. You can see where the switch had broken off. Okay. Also, you can see where it hit and it got off track right there on the side. See that side? And that side is flush. That side has popped pretty much out of the socket, away from those two holes. Okay. And just to let you see that the switch is working, okay, I'm gonna hit that switch, hit the switch up here. There we go. Switch is good. Back in business. I want to appreciate everybody out there, you know, helping me with this hobby. You know, if it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be doing this. So I want y'all to have a blessed day, week, day, night, whatever. Cheers.
I got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry cleaner. I got a tidy bitch to pick up, I got love Selena. Shawty hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen her. Shawty love the way I whip it in a two-seater.